Welcome back, MVP Road Car. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a game changer for travelers, campers, and anyone who dreams of taking their home on the road. This isn't just another RV. Chevrolet has reimagined what a modern motorhome should be. And we're going to break down every detail from the exterior styling and interior design to performance on the road and pricing. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is seriously impressive. It has a bold, commanding presence thanks to its wide stance and clean aerodynamic lines. Chevy's gone all in with a sleeker, more refined look compared to older boxy RVs. Up front, you get a high-mounted LED headlight design, a sculpted grille with chrome or blacked-out finishes depending on your trim, and a panoramic windshield that gives it a futuristic vibe. Along the side, the power retractable awning blends perfectly with the roof line, and flush-mounted windows give the body a streamlined silhouette. There are also optional solar panels integrated into the roof, so not only does it look great, it's functional for those off-grid adventures. Now, when you step inside, the transformation from vehicle to home is almost unbelievable. The 2026 model offers a layout that feels spacious, luxurious, and practical all at once. Right when you walk in, you're greeted by premium materials, genuine wood trims, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting that gives the space a cozy yet upscale feel. The captain's chairs up front swivel to face the living area, which features a convertible dinette that turns into an additional bed. Overhead storage compartments are deep and soft close, and there's plenty of smart storage throughout the cabin. The kitchen comes fully equipped with an induction cooktop, convection microwave, solid surface countertops, and a surprisingly large 10 cubic foot refrigerator. There's also a deep stainless steel sink with a pull-out sprayer, just like at home. Toward the back, you'll find the main sleeping area with a queen-size memory foam mattress, underbed storage, and blackout shades for maximum privacy. Even the bathroom is well designed, offering a wet bath setup with a rainfall shower head, eco flush toilet, and tankless water heater. As for tech, Chevrolet has gone the smart route. The motorhome comes with an integrated control system that syncs to your smartphone or tablet, giving you control over lighting, temperature, water levels, battery usage, and more. Wi-Fi hotspot capability, Bluetooth surround sound, and optional satellite TV makes staying connected effortless, no matter where you're parked. Performance dash-wise, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is built on a heavy-duty platform with a 6.6-liter V8 engine that pumps out 401 horsepower. It's paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, and whether you're climbing hills or cruising down the interstate, it feels stable and powerful. For those looking to reduce fuel consumption, Chevrolet is offering a hybrid assist variant that adds electric torque at low speeds and improves fuel economy slightly, up to around 14 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a rig this size. Driving comfort has been improved with a new suspension system that includes upgraded shocks and anti-sway bars, making long drives more manageable. Safety features like forward collision alert, lane departure warning, blind zone alert, and a 360-degree camera system all come standard, adding confidence when navigating tight campsites or busy highways. Now, let's talk numbers. The base model of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome starts at $128,000, which includes most of the must-have features like the smart control system, PREMIUM interior materials, and V8 powertrain. If you want the fully loaded premier trim with solar, hybrid assist, full entertainment system, and upgraded finishes, you're looking at around $155,000. It's a serious investment. But when you factor in the comfort, performance, and long-term travel possibilities, it's easy to see why it's gaining attention. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. If you're into road trips, off-grid living, or just want to travel in comfort and style, this motorhome is definitely worth checking out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you take this out for a coast-to-coast trip? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth reviews every week. Thanks for watching MVP Road Car, and I'll see you in the next one.